Do you have blueberry muffins right now?
I have one.
Can I get a blueberry muffin and a large hot coffee and 2 hazelnut, 2 caramel, and I want almond milk and sugar.
Spotify thing just to clear everything up.
Oh yeah, a lot of people were confused when we said for season 2 we're doing it Spotify.
Morning or something. Or I'll just bring you back. I don't know, shit. I'll just bring you back when I get off work on Tuesday or something.
Okay.
I'm erasing myself from the narrative. I put myself back in the narrative.
I wasn't even gonna talk in this video because I have not been. What? I have not been feeling like myself today. Like I just have not, or really this week, month, year. But yeah, I wasn't feeling this. I was gonna make a video, you know, just vibes, just showing you what I'm doing in my day. I was not even gonna talk at all. But I kind of forgot I was filming. It's been hours now. The sun is literally going down. It's like 6:30 almost. And yeah, I'm going to my I can't think now. But I was supposed to be getting ready because I'm going to be I'm supposed to be getting ready right now because my boyfriend's coming to get me. I can't get my words out. He's coming to get me. So I need to get my stuff together. And I was gonna be, like, my whole day has changed basically. I was gonna what? I was gonna spend the whole day at home, just chill day vibes. But he said he's on the way to get me. And I have 20 minutes to get ready. You know, should not be talking right now. I should be packing my stuff before he gets mad that I'm not ready, but he gets here when I had an hour. So I'm about to get ready and I'll see you guys in the car. My phone said 10%. But yeah, I'm about to get ready. See you in the car. The lighter over there? You got the lighter over there? There's what on the stove? Okay. What you microwaving? had to go up to school with both of my parents when I was going to college, or starting college, and Simone was sending me Cash App money. It was sending me a message like that. So when they opened my emails to try to find the confirmation thing, it was popped up on the screen, and Simone talking about she sent me some money for bitches with fat asses. She really sent it to me for gas money, but she sent the Cash App thing. She said sending you $10 for bitches with fat asses. So while I'm at the school with my college advisor and both my parents, it's pulled up on the flat screen that Simone sent me $10 for fat booty bitches.
That's lit. Oh, 9/11.
I was like, oh, but nobody said nothing, so I was like, maybe they didn't see it.
Oh, they saw this shit. You can't ignore something like that. So let's get on with our